decking goes over either your rafters, wood rafters, your purlins on a metal structure. And what it is it provides sometimes just a fastening system to the layers that go on top of it, or it can also be structural to the building. Like a lot of times you'll see the metal roof is usually structural to the building that's being built. Sometimes it's obvious what type of roof deck you have just by looking at the building. If you see a metal building, it's almost always going to be metal. Some of the brick buildings, it can be wood or it can be concrete. It's never good to make an assumption on what type of roof deck it is. We always want to get visual verification, because the last thing you want to do is tear off a roof and then have to change your whole roofing system because you misidentified what type of decking you have. And so that can be accomplished either through a visual inspection by looking up if the roof deck is exposed from underneath, or you can do a core cut from the top and basically just make a small hole, look down and see what it is. On a lot of new builds, the most often installed roof deck is typically metal now. And that's because you do get some cost savings typically, and you get a longer lifespan on your deck. So metal is becoming is becoming very popular on new construction builds. But if you're doing a retrofit or you're replacing a roof, you kind of have to go back with what's there. Because the type of roof deck that you have on your building can drastically affect how you are going to apply your roofing system, it is critical to do a thorough inspection of the property, because you don't want any surprises on game day. You don't want any surprises once you start tearing that roof off. You want to know as much as you can about that roofing system. So doing a thorough inspection, determining what type of roof deck you have, can limit the amount of surprises you have. If you're considering replacing your commercial roof and you're thinking about, wait, what type of roof deck do I have? Please call Rhoden Roofing today.